So, creating a personalized schedule for yourself and to stay on track, it's very simple. You just need to know two things. You need to know how many weeks you have left in the semester. So, if you started at a different time than the beginning, then you'll need to know how many weeks are left. And you'll also need to know how many units are in the class that you're trying to make a plan for. So here I am, and this can be done in any class, of course. I'm just taking this class for an example, and I'd want to go ahead and click on the content here and see how many units I have in the entire class. So once I figured that out, then I need to figure out how many weeks are left in the semester. Now in this class, we have, it looks like 6 units. The 7th unit is just a test, so we might want to consider that, but really the chunks here are, it looks like there's 6 units. We also might want to consider these interim checkpoints, so you want to take a look and see how hefty those are. But those could also be included into doing Unit 2 and interim checkpoint in a certain amount of time frame. So we have 6 units here, and let's say there's 18 weeks left in the semester. You start at the very beginning. You would want to finish 1 unit every 3 weeks because 18 divided by 6 is 3, so that's 1 unit every 3 weeks. If you had 12 weeks left, that would be 1 unit every 2 weeks, and so on and so forth. So you just have to do a little bit of math there. And if you're having trouble with that, you can talk to a teacher about that. So we come back here and we click on plan, and you just take a look. So if you're here and you've decided that every let's say 2 weeks we need to finish a unit. So here we are, we click 2 units later, or 2 weeks later, and we get on the 28th. And you can create an event, complete Unit 1, Algebra, or I'm sorry, Geometry. Okay, and then you'll want to click Create, and that will go into your plan here. And then when you're on your class home, you can then you'll have a class plan up here, and it'll pop up here. You'll want to keep going with that, not just do September 28th, but every 2 weeks. Then you would, from September 28th, you'd go 2 weeks into the calendar and put complete Unit 2, and so on and so forth.